Hello everyone, welcome back to Oliveboard. My name is Umer Mir. Good evening, very good evening everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. First of all, it is happy Holi to everyone. Okay, yes, good evening, and good evening. Okay, let's join fast. Okay, as I promised you that, sir, we will bring the series. I will bring the series that will be regarding the previous year question paper, starting with IBPS PO. Okay. 2021 we completed IBPS PO yesterday. Today we will go for IBPS PO previous year question with respect to 2022. Okay, great. Okay, I mean definitely you will find, sir, we have already, those who have just attended this shift, they will say yes sir, these type of questions was asked. Okay, I have randomly selected one shift. Okay, you will definitely love it. Okay. Yes guys, please fast my dear. Okay, good evening, very good evening, and good evening. Yes. So what we have to discuss today, my dear, okay, that is nothing but, sir, it will be previous year question paper, okay, in which we are going to do Quant paper, Quant section we are going to do, and that with respect to 2022, okay, IBPS PO pre. So it is IBPS PO pre, okay. We have not started mains yet. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my dear. Good evening. Hope you guys are doing well, okay. Let's get started, my dear. Yes. Let's get started, okay. Yes, let's get started with this. Okay, yes. Please go next. Fast, my dear. There are 5 quadratic equation questions has been asked in this shift that I have selected, my dear. So I request everyone, if I give you 1 minute, please can you try to solve it, okay? Hello Devi, hello, good evening, my dear, good evening, very good evening. First of all, happy Holi to everyone. Yes, please go fast, my dear. I request everyone at least please try it. At least you have to try it. IBPS PO 2022, 2022, you can easily find these type of problems have been already calculated. If I will be aside, can you please fast, Devi, everyone. Rajput, good evening, my dear. Good evening, Rajput. Good evening. Hope you guys are doing well, huh? Go for it, my dear. Many friends are here, but they are not answering. Please try to understand the question. What is question? Just you have to five quadratic inequalities or 5 quadratic questions have been asked in 2022 IBPS PO. So please just look at the sign, then we can calculate the value. Okay. Huh? I will show you the first one, then I am expected that you will give me the answer for next. We have 5 questions, my dear. Okay. Sir, there is something like this equation. Okay. What's an equation? Sir, it is first equation. X square plus 13x plus 42, that is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Great, my dear. What will be the sign of 2 roots? Sir, first we have 2 roots will be, first it will be negative and this will be also negative root. Great, my dear. In second equation, what will be, sir? It is nothing. In second equation, y square minus 2y minus 633. First root, it will be definitely positive, and second will be negative. Okay, so there is, we cannot say anything. Let's calculate, sir. I think it will be 7 and 6. Their sum is 13. Their multiplication is 42. Pulki Dala Ram Ram Sarji. Good evening, my dear girl. Yes, yes. Please go for this. Okay. Now you calculated. Yes, Pulki. Please try to answer this, my dear. We have just taken two correct equation. This one done. Now move to this equation. 7, 6. Now there is minus, my dear. It is a there is a one concept. If you have that concept, sir, ax square plus bx plus c, that is 0. Whenever it is minus c, means you have to subtract that quantities and fix here. Concept is that, sir, 9 into 7, we can say 9, 7. That's a quite good thing, my dear. Okay, what we got is that, sir, it is minus 7 minus 6 plus 9 minus 7. Sir, minus 7 is definitely less than this, and minus 7 is equal to this. Great, but minus 6 is less than, but minus 6 is greater than plus 7. Yeah, minus 7. So can we say that, sir, there cannot be any relation find out? So we can say directly no relation can be generated, because the concept is that this is less than this, this is less than this, this is less than this, this is less or equal to this. But if we talk about minus 6, it is greater than minus 7. Hope it is clear, my dear. Good. Can we move to next question, my dear? Fast, my dear. Quadratic equation, 5 questions have been asked, but yes, they are quite simple. You can easily decide. Okay, good. Have a look, my dear sir. Two equations are there. One equation is x square minus 12x plus 32. This is one equation, and that too has equated to 0. Okay, sir, there is one equation that is 2y square minus 9y plus 10. That was equated to 0. Have a look, my dear. Good. So what could be the possible root, sir? Definitely, I will try to figure it out, sir. What is that, sir? If I find here, negative one root will be positive and another will be also positive. Both roots will be positive. Here, sir, both roots are positive, so we cannot decide by sign. First, always try to decide by sign. Sometimes among 5 questions, 1-2 question, maybe you can easily decide with by sign without calculating. Okay. Now, have a look, sir. It is 32 and that of 12. 6 and 6. Okay. Sir, it will be 6 and 6. No, it is 32, not 36. It is 32. I thought it is 36. It is not 36. It is 32. So 8 and 4. Good. It is not 36. It is 32. Good. Yes. Now move to this. Sir, their multiplication is 20. There, okay. So some addition is how much? 9. So that is a possible case, only 5 and 4. Good, my dear. But there is a case. From this we cannot decide. There is a one case I want to tell you. There is a coefficient case. Coefficient case, my dear. I want to tell you one thing quite important. Some people will try to divide it with 2, and x will be greater than y. Definitely you will find it out. Okay. But I want to tell you one thing very important. Yeah, Johnny single. Okay. Okay, Pulkit. Yes, one thing I want to tell you, there is a one logic I want to tell you. Do you know why? If you divide it with 2, it will be in decimal. Don't divide. There is a one more method. In order to, this is 2, you have to make it 2. Now, just try to multiply the here 2. It will be how much, sir? 16 and 8. And definitely x is greater than y. This is there is a one more logic. I do not suppose to go with division, because division is most, whenever we have to compare, I just go with multiplication case, because I didn't like decimal part. Multiply equation with 1 and this with 2, that's the case. Okay, no problem. Go for it. That's good, my dear. Devi, good, my dear. Great, great. Fast, fast, everyone. Please, please go fast. Try to increase your speed. Yes, answers are coming. Pulkit say it is A. Indra Kumar say it is A also. Good. Go for it, my dear. Okay. So three people. Kavita also said it is option A. Great, my dear. Okay. So can we decide like this, sir? It is, sir, it is 9x square minus 3x and that minus 2, that is equal to 0. Not only this, sir, it is y square minus 8y plus 16, that was equal to 0. Great, my dear. What you will do, sir, we have to divide them. It will be 18. Huh? Great, my dear. So their multiplication should be 18, their subtraction should be 3. So I think possible case is 6 and 3. 6 and 3 is a possible case. It is negative, definitely positive. It is negative. Great. I didn't use a coefficient 9. Yes, later I will decide. Okay. Now, how much it is, sir? It is negative, definitely it will be positive. And this is also positive. Their sum is 4, their multiplication is 16. Sir, 4 and 4. Great, my dear. Now the question is that some people will try to divide this with 9, divide this with 9. It will be better to go with 9 multiplication here to make it equal. So it will be how much? 36 and 36. Definitely I can say that these values are quite much greater than x values. So y is greater than x. That is the option of A. Y is greater than x. That is the option A. Great, my dear. So here you cannot find the difference as much more. Do you know why? Because the values are quite bigger, but sometimes we will get the values quite close. That time, if we go with fraction in decimal case, if we divide, so you will stuck. It will take time. Just use the multiplication case, my dear. Fast. Yesterday do you know why I am solving all questions? Because in yesterday's session I take that shift in which quadratic equation was not included in the shift 1. But in 2022, I take that shift in which questions were asked. Today, we will solve arithmetic also. We will go with arithmetic questions also. Answers are coming. Kavita, Pulkit, and Indra. Sir, it is E. Everyone, please try to give me the answer. Sir, if we write down the equation first, sir, x square minus 2x minus 8, that is equal to 0. There is one more, that is y square minus 7y minus 60, that also equal to 0. Okay, sir, there we are going to find two roots. Sir, it is negative, definitely positive. This will be negative. Okay, sir, it is negative, positive, negative. So we don't have to calculate. Simple. Simple. There is a one proper rule, my dear. Whenever you got roots as negative, positive, negative, positive, alternate positive, negative, there will be only one relation, that we cannot generate any relation between x and y. Okay, so without solving this question, you can easily decide. Sir, whenever the question is this type, we will check sign and we will leave the question. Don't try to solve. No, nothing, sir. There are some logical facts, sir. If it is negative, negative, positive, positive, we'll definitely say these two roots will be greater than, say, it is positive, positive, same case, negative, negative. We'll say this is greater than this. Sir, whenever it is positive, negative, positive, negative, we will say there is no relation generated between them. We cannot generate any relation. Same case, my dear. When it is, we can say negative, positive, in any case. So we can say that we cannot generate any relation in this form. In this case, you don't have to calculate values. Just click on the answer. Nothing like that. This is the last. Then I will move towards some arithmetic and DI questions. Pulkit E. Kavita also E. Great, my dear. Everyone, please try. So 9683. Good, 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 good. Go for it, my dear. Okay, E again. Okay, no problem, no problem. So there is one S Sangam Pulari, my dear. So there is a one statement. We cannot say that it is cannot be decided. This equation, I mean option E means relation cannot be generated, but we can decide. Okay, so yeah. Okay, hope you understand my concern. Okay, so x square minus 15x plus 54, that is equal to 0. Sir, what will be sign? It is negative, positive, bigger root will be positive, and the other root will be also positive. Okay, we will calculate this. Sir, y square minus 11y plus 24, that is equal to 0. Sir, bigger root will be positive, highest root means will be positive, and other root will be also positive. So we have to calculate there. We cannot compare. We cannot make a comparison on the base of equation. Sign. Okay. Now, so it will be how much? Definitely, it will be 9 and 6. Okay. Clear? 9 and 6. Is there any coefficient? No coefficient, my dear. There is no coefficient. Great. So leave it. Now 24, 11. So their sum should be 11. I think 8 and 3 you can satisfy this. Great. Sir, 9 is greater than both two cases. I mean, this is less than this and this is greater than this. So we can say there is some greater than, some less than. So we can say relation, okay, between them cannot be established. So I think it is clear. Can we move forward, my dear? 9683, like a mobile number. Clear? Can we move to the next question, my dear? Okay, hope it is clear. DI, sir, next. Yes, I told you that DI, yesterday we did DI. Now today we will go for arithmetic, then DI. Pulkit, we will do today for arithmetic, yes. Yes, Sangam, my dear. I will. Can you please explain short method? Okay. Which one? In this question or the later question? Last question, my dear. Last question. Okay. I will explain after this question. Don't worry. I will explain. Go for it, my dear. Please, fast. 1 minute is given to you, please. This is an average, arithmetic question. Please go for it. Okay. Option 4. Okay. I'm a little bit confused. Most of my student has given me the answer as a 4. I am confused whether you are given option 4 and 5. Now it is clear that you are choosing at answer 6, means option 4. Okay, my dear, no problem. No problem. Go for it, sir. It is given that the average age of X student in a group is how much? 20. If X student have an age of 20, can I say that their sum of X student will be how much? Sir, sum of X will be definitely 20X. This is the total age of this. Okay. When 4 new students are admitted, sir, when 4 new students are admitted with the age of 7.5 each, 7.5 each, so means the age of 4 students will be 30. So now sum of how much, sir? X plus 4, it will be how much, sir? It is 20X plus 30. Great. Now what is given? That then the average is decreased by 5. Actual average was 20. Now decreased by 5 means 15. So new average, can you please calculate new average? Sir, new average is nothing. What is sum? Average is nothing but total sum. Total sum of observation. That is this much. Sir, 20X plus 30. Okay. Divided by. Total number is how much? Sir, first actual it was only X. Now X plus 4. What is that average, sir? It decreased by 5. It is how much? 15. Can you figure it out? Yes, my dear. Sir, it will be 20X plus 30. That is nothing but 15X plus 60. Take to this side, this to this side. 20 minus 15, that is 5X. That is nothing but 30. So we got the value of X as a 6. What have been asked to us? What is the value of X? That will be 6. That was option number 4. Clear, my dear? Now means that the average age of 6 student was this much. Okay, option 4, 6. Clear, my dear? Now Devi has given me the answer also. Yes. Okay, Kavita, okay. Yes, clear? Should I move next question, my dear? Should I go for next question? Yes, in last question, there was some problem regarding some students, sir, how you are taking this trick method and all that. I want to tell you, my dear, there is one method that's called a sign convention. Abhi, yes, my dear, okay. So, yes, what was the name? I didn't remember the name. Okay, there is one proper method. Whenever these equations are given, first try to find out the sign, and on the basis of sign we will try to figure out to solve this question. Okay, in case you have further any query regarding sign, how we divide sign and all that, please connect me on Telegram group. My Telegram group name is this: Quant by Umer Mir. Join me there and message me personally. Sir, I feel problem in this case here, and here. We will connect on call. Yes, Sangam, my dear, if you have any query, any doubt, my dear, you can directly connect here, connect to this group, join this group, connect me directly. We will discuss. Don't worry. Yeah, I will be there. There for always you. Okay. Please. Welcome, my dear. Welcome, welcome. You are always welcome. Try to figure out this question, huh? Go for it, my dear. Okay, I will show you this type of question whenever it is based, I think it is based on ratio. Okay, it is based on ratio. I will show you how to solve this type of question within second. Go for it, my dear. This question is done by two methods. One is conventional method, okay, and one is short trick method. Devi has given me the answer. Pulkit has given me the answer. Good, 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 my dear. Okay, fast. Okay, 25 into 3. Great. Have a look, my dear. Those who are, are not able to solve, have a look. Kavita also B. 75. Look at the question. What is given that the ratio of daily wage of 3 workers PQR in a company ABC is how much? This much, respectively. If any of the worker on Sunday gets an 120 extra of that day, and the ratio of wages PQR for weekday and Sunday now becomes this much. Great. Now find the difference between the wage of P and R on weekend Sunday. What is this? This is P. What is this? This is Q. And what about this? This is R. What about their wages? Their difference between their wages is 3 ratio. So we have to calculate first each ratio. 2 method. Sir, these questions are done by 2 method. If we go for PO level exams, that is by trick. If it is a mains level question and with they will give a different types of scenario. There we have to follow convention. Have a look. Yes, Vishali Saras. Okay, it is option B. Okay. Sir, first the ratio between PQR was given as how much, sir? It was 21 to that of 16 to that of 18. Okay. Now there will be an extra amount paid 120 if they work on Sunday and weekday. Okay. Like that. How much will be now new? If I write down, sir, new, it will be how much, sir? It is given as 26 to that of 21 to that of 23. Great, my dear. Listen. Very good, my dear. That is important concept. Okay. If this was the actual salary ratio, but if they work on Sunday also, they will get extra. How much extra ratio? Sir, 5. How much extra ratio? 5. How much extra 5 ratio? 5. And that 5 ratio is given as 125. If 5 ratio is given as 125, 1 ratio will be 5. 1 ratio will be 5. One ratio will be how much? 25, not 5. Okay, if 5 ratio is 25, 1 ratio will be 25. Great, my dear. Now the question is that what is the difference between P and Q on weekend Sunday? It is given. Okay, sir, what is difference between their ratio? Their 26 minus 23, 3 ratio, and 1 ratio is 25. This is 75. This is by short trick method. I will tell you one more method that will be little bit conventional. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now, some people will try to make it in terms of ratio. Sir, if his salary is 21x, 16x, and that of x, after that you will add 125 to this, 125 to this, 125 to this, and their ratio we will equate to this. Okay, but this case of scenario is used when there is different amount on each day. Weekday this much amount, Sunday this much amount, and that case will be in case of mains. So that time you have to equate with their respective ratios. Here it is similar to every pattern, so but 5 ratios equal, just it. Okay, hope it is clear to everyone. Now please. Yes, I told you, my dear, if ratio is not same, what to do then time? You have to, first ratio was not given. You can assume that it was 21x, 21x is to 16x, into some ratio 23x, okay? Then you will add to ratio, if 23 was the salary, plus 125, his salary plus 125, plus whatever. Then you have to equate with this ratio and then solve. Simple, my dear. Then you have to take these two ratios equal. Make them equal and solve. But solve this question, my dear. First go for this question. Abhi has given me the answer as C, Kavita as C, okay, Pulkit as C, Kavita as 7:4. Great, my dear. So have a look what is given to you, sir. A bus can travel, okay, at distance of how much? 1330 kilometer in this much 19 hours. Okay, if bus is running this much in this, what will be speed of bus? Sir, speed of bus will be definitely 1330 upon 19. I think it will be 7 times and 0, it will be 70 kilometer speed of bus, but it is given in kilometer per hour. Okay, no problem. Speed of bike will be 50% of that. Okay, can I write speed of bike? Na? Speed of bus is this. Speed of BIKE bike will be how much? 35. Okay. Now there is one more, that the speed of cycle, okay, is 15 kilometer less than speed of bike. Can I speed of cycle will be how much? That will be 15 less than, it will be 20. Good, my dear. Is there any more statement? No. Find the respective ratio of time taken by cycle, okay, to bike, to car, this 280 kilometer distance. Okay, my dear. Good. 7:4. Yeah, Ritesh, okay, it is how much? 7:4. Good, my dear. Sir, what we have to calculate? How much time was taken by cycle to that time taken by BK bike, okay? Cycle, how much speed? 20. What is the distance, sir? It will be 280 divided by 20, okay? To that. What is the bike? I mean, bike, how much? It is 280 divided by 35. Great, my dear. Try to figure it out, sir. This and this will be 0. This will be how much? 14 times. Okay. Huh? Yes. How many times it will find out? I think it will go for 8 times. Huh? If you try to figure it out, it will be how much? 7:4. Did I make any mistake? Everything is perfect now. It is time taken to data bike. Bike is 35. Okay. It is how much time? This is the by this. Okay. 3. Where is 3? Okay. No, everything is perfect. Now, is there any on? Okay, good. Answer is 3. What about 7:3? That is the 3. Okay, that's why I was asking. Na? Now, go for this question, my dear. Yes, that's why yesterday we did a lot of questions on DI first. We miss arithmetic. But today I just take, we already did a lot of practice on some that I called quadratic equation. Now arithmetic, then we will move towards DI and simplification. In this session, there was some 2 or 3 DIs was there, okay. And after that it will be arithmetic we already done. Then DI we will discuss. Then we will do simplification. Good. One by one. This is a mensuration question, my dear. Hope you like mensuration. Huh? Abhi say no. There is a logic behind mensuration. There are some particular formula. If you remember formulas, everything will be perfect. Huh? You will love it. Huh? Read question very carefully. Read question very carefully, my dear. You have to read question what to be calculated and what has been given. That's really important. So read question very carefully. Okay, Pulkit 25:18. Vishali, okay, 3. That is also the same answer. 25. Good. What is given to you, my dear? If I solve this question, sir, what is given? Sir, Piyush form a large cube from a material obtained by melting. Okay, smaller cube of 3, 4, and 5 centimeters size. So they are melted and they are making a big cube. Okay, 3 cubes are melted. Okay, you know that when they are melted and they are making a one big cube, we have just calculate the volume. Okay, sir. 1 cube, if I say cube 1, it has how much? 3 as a side. What is a volume? That will be side cube. Cube have a volume as a side cube, so it will be 3 cube. Okay, if I say that what will be the volume of bigger cube, total volume of bigger cube will be how much? How much? Sir, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube, because they are melted and they are combined to make a bigger cube. Just like that, sir, it will be nothing but 27 to that of 64 and to that of how much? 125. Good. Okay, so 11, it will be 6, 1, 2. Hope it is clear. There should not be any problem. Yes. Surab Roy, Ridhima, okay. Hope it is clear to everyone. Till now, it is no problem at all. Okay. So we got a bigger cube in which volume is this much. Can you calculate side? Volume is nothing but a cube, that is 216. Sir, can I write the side will be 6? This is nothing but the side of a bigger cube. No problem. We have everything. What we have to calculate? What is the ratio of total surface area of smaller cubes? It is cubes, means it includes this plus this plus this. Surface area, okay, no problem, and large cube. Sir, surface area is 6a square. Good, my dear. But we have to calculate all cubes. Sir, it will be 6. What about this, sir? It is 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. To that of, it is how much? What we have to do that of, it is 6 into 6 square. Dynamite clear. I mean, everything is clear. Okay. Can you please find out it will be how much, sir? 9 plus 16 plus 25 to that of 36. Okay. So I think it will be 25, 25, 50 to that of 36. That is nothing but 25 to that of 18. Clear, everyone? Hope it is clear. Huh? Surface area is 6 a square. Volume is side cube. Everything is perfect. Huh? We have to just be focused on that. Okay. Can we go? Can we move ahead? Can we go ahead, my dear? Clear, everyone? Okay. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Now, this is a one DI that was asked, my dear Abhi, Pulkit, Sangam, okay, Radhima, okay. But I want to tell you one thing, my dear. This was a series of DI given on the basis of some questions there will be 5 questions based on this DI. But I request you guys, this type of DI, if it is given, if I ask you to calculate total, okay, this question is done. I mean, everything is here. Okay, no need to calculate some data. Okay. Everything was given. Okay, you have to calculate total of this, total of this, total of this, total of this. Not only this, sir, total here. If you calculate that value, everything is perfect. This was a DI asked, my dear. If you see the question number 1, what has been given? What is the total sale? What is the total sale of which cold drink was the highest over 5 years? Okay, so 5 years, what is the highest? So we have to calculate the value. Highest will be that. Not only this, these values are also required. Can you please find the values? You can give me the value total 2011 as well, this, and total there as well. Okay, go for it, my dear. Huh? Fast, my dear. Fast, fast. Can you feel it? Yes, my it is pre-level. Once you solve, definitely you will see that calculation will be little bit easy, but you have to calculate. It will take time. It will take this calculation time, this calculation, okay, this much, this much. Not only this, you have to find 5 and 5, 10 terms here. Then you have to move to questions. Got it, my dear? Okay. Yes, Pulkit. Okay, sir, 210 is 3391. Okay, great, my dear. Okay. Okay, so we will calculate little bit values. Okay, I request everyone, please give me the value first here. Give me the value of Pepsi, give me the value of Thumbs Up, give me the value of Coca-Cola, give me the value of Mirinda, and give me the value of Sprite. Yes, please. Abhi also, please give me the value, everyone. Okay. Then I will move towards some questions. I will show you which type of question was asked. Okay. What thing is stuck? It's stuck. It's stuck. Just please try to solve it. I will try to fix this problem. Please try to solve this. Guys, please wait for 1 minute, only 1-2 minutes, and I will fix this problem. Just be here. I will fix this problem. Yeah. Can you please show me the YouTube? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys. Sorry for interruption. Technical issue was there. Okay. I hope that you have calculated the values. Huh? Is this audible, my dear? Okay. How much you got, Pulkit? Please. 35. Okay. 135,170. That was an Pepsi with respect to 3634. 0. Okay. 37225. this much values has been calculated. Okay, sorry, in between that there was a little bit a technical issue. Okay, regret for that. Okay, now the question is that if you see the question, my dear, I do not want to waste your time on this. Okay, you will definitely figure it out which type of DI it was, how many questions have been asked, what data we have to calculate. That should be in your mind. You have to find this total also as well. But in first question, what has been given? Okay, sir, what is the total sale of which cold drink was the highest over 5 years? So what is the highest over 5 years? Can you figure it out? Can you figure it out? Yes. Great, my dear. So thumbs up is how much? 36340. Okay, no problem, my dear. So can you please find out that? I think Sprite is the maximum sale is for all over. Yes, you can find that, sir, by checking. It is 4,000. These all are 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Can I? Yes, my dear. So yes, Sprite. So Sprite will be the correct option. Hope you guys have the table. You can easily check what Sprite, that is option number E. Okay, guys, without wasting time, yes. Can I move towards, sir? Can you check in which year was the average sale of code on second lowest? We have to find this total. Not only then, we have to decide second lowest term. Okay, we can easily decide this as a homework, my dear. So you can easily find this question in this PDF, this as your homework. Not only this as your homework. Okay, so you can easily find, my dear. Okay, now if I move towards, yes, my dear, you please go ahead. Go for it. Okay. Answers, yes. Abhi 480. Okay. Pulkit 480. Good, my dear. Have a look, sir. It is based on approximation and we have to assume some accurate or nearby values. Sir, can I assume here it is 45 and it is multiplied with 24? This is close to 45, 24. Sir, it is nothing but 65 percentile, 65 upon 100 of 120 or 65 percentile. You can write down whichever you feel comfortable, my dear. Whichever you feel comfortable. Okay. Now, it is minus 6, 7 and it's close to 8. That is equal to X. Have a look, my dear. Sir, it will be how much if we calculate, sir? It will be 45 that of 24. Sir, 1080. Sir, 1080 definitely. Not only this, sir. It is 65 percentile of this or 120% of 65, whichever you feel comfortable. It will be 65 and 13. Sir, 78 minus 678, that is 0. If we cancel 78 and 70 among this, it will be 1080 minus 600. Sir, 480. That was x, not 0. What you have to calculate the value of x. I mean the unknown. I denote this unknown term by x. So don't get confused. Sir, why are you bringing this x? There is no x. Okay. So it will be 480. So don't get confused, my dear. I mostly denote this question mark as an x. I try, yes. Don't get confused. Please. Sir, this is also based on approximation. Sir, it is close to 15. Can I write it is 15 square? Go for it, my dear. Answer is given by only Abhi and Pulkit, 732. 732, my dear. Sir, this is close to 4. Can I write it is 4 square? It is close to 25. 25 square. And this is nothing but x. Okay. And it is 12 percentile. 12 percentile of 850. Or you can write down 850 percentile of whichever you feel comfortable, my dear. Good. Now, can I write, sir, 15, it will be 225. Minus 16, it is 625. Clear? And that is nothing but x plus. Can you calculate 12%? It will be first if we calculate 10%, 85. Good. And 12% is how much? 2%, 17. So I think it will be 102. Some people will try to figure it out, sir. 850 percentile of this. 800 will be 96 and 50% minus 6. 96 plus 6, 102. Whichever you feel comfortable. Go for it. Okay. So it will be how much, sir? Definitely it will be 850. Sir, 834. Minus 102, that is how much x? 732, that is nothing but the value of x. Devi has given me the answer. Ritesh also clear, my dear. Can I move for the next question? Fast, my dear. Approximation, prelims question, little bit will be this much. Okay, go for. Assume something quite close value, my dear, and then answer it. Sir, can we assume that, sir, it is, under root of some term, but they are not perfect numbers and we have to assume it is an approximation question? We will do that. Only two answers I get, a B and Pulkit. Okay, 440, 430. Both answers are different from each other. Okay, some are interested here, some are interested here. Okay, but I want to tell you that it will be, answer will be 440. A B will be the correct. Yes, Pulkit, please try calculation. Sir, we know that 18 into 18 is, can I write, if it is close to 324, that will be under root of 18. Can I write it is 18? Sir, we know that 961, 31 into 31. Now, it is how much, sir? It is 703 divided by 19. That is minus 31 and that with 5. That is the value of x. Okay, can you find it? I think it will be 558. Okay, plus. Can you figure this out? Okay, so it will be first 3 times. Okay, and if I write it as 3 times, 53, 63, 63, it will be 7 times. Good, good, my dear. And it will be how much, sir? It will be 155. That is the value of x. Good, my dear. If I write down, sir, 558 minus 155, it will be definitely this term minus this term, it will be 403 plus that of 37, that was x. Can I say it will be 440, that was the value of x. What is the value of x? That is the. Good night, sir. Good night. Najindra Yadav. Good night, bete. Okay. अभी हाँ इतना मजाक नहीं करते खुल के हाँ. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so moving for the next question. Good evening. Listen, you have a great manner, my dear. Narendra, what is the name? Najendra Yadav. Good, my dear. Very good. Quite good, my dear. Impressive. Okay. Abhi, he's still asking you good evening, and that's good, my dear. And he's asking you Abhi G. Quite great manner, and still we are just friends here. Don't take it serious. Huh? If someone, yes. Neha, hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. Hi. Huh? Abhi, good, my dear. Okay. It is asked, sir, can we write it is 90 percentile of 200 plus 75 percentile of how much? 180 and that of minus 115, that is equal to value of x. Huh? Okay. Have a look, my dear. Can you calculate 90% of this, sir? 10% will be 20. So 90% will be definitely 180 simple plus. Sir, 75% is nothing but 3 by 4. Sir, 3 by 4 of 180. 4 1 times 445 times. This into this, I think it will be 135. Good. Minus 115, that is the value of x. By subtracting this, we get to 20. And what we have? 180. And that was the value of x. X will be, this should be 200. That was your option number. Okay, so I think he is just random here. He is just randomly here, so no problem. Okay, so Yes. Okay. So hope you guys like the session, huh? No. I want to tell you one thing quite sure, my dear. I am giving you this as your homework also. I request you, please go for it. Not only this, sir, this is a DI, pie chart. Oh, sorry, bar graph based. Sir, this is also your homework, my dear. You have to work on it, huh? You have to work on it. Okay. So here, homework as much. Okay. This is also your homework. So please work on these questions. Do not just throw them. Huh? So this is for you guys. I will upload this PDF in group. So please find this. Yes, please find this. And oh my God, from Abhiji to Nihaji. Okay, no problem. Huh? Good. Okay. So yes, guys, I will stop here. Huh? You can join this Quant group, Quant by Umer Mir. You will find this PDF here. Huh? You join this group and you will find the PDF. Okay. In case you have any doubt and any query, you can ask me personally. I am on Instagram as well. You can find the motivational quotes. I mostly wish you a very happy Holi to everyone. I wish you a very happy Holi and safe Holi. Okay, to everyone. Okay. Sir, he is changing direction. Okay, no problem. Happy Holi to everyone. Guys, I'm just uploading this motivational quotes on Instagram. You can follow me that. And you can connect me personally on Instagram. Okay. One thing I want to tell you that. Okay. Sangam Pulari, yes, Niha, happy Holi. I want to tell you that this class means that all previous year memory based paper, the timing will be at 9 to 10. Okay. But my regular classes are at, today they are running for LICW mains at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. And this class is at 9 p.m. I want to tell you one thing. Tomorrow is holiday. I will not able to take any class for tomorrow. And you can, if you want to study some other thing, you can go. I mean, I do not want to waste your time. Your time is quite precious. That's why tomorrow I will not be available. And that on, I mean, what we call the 9th, I mean, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will be on leave. Okay. So I will meet you on Friday, my dear, with new paper, new series for, I mean, we will discuss Clerk, IBPS Clerk previous year paper. So join at 9 p.m. and exact time. Happy Holi and bye-bye. Take care and have a good